YouTube TV upgrade options and pricing. YouTube TV offers several add-ons to enhance your viewing experience. Here's a breakdown of the available upgrades and their costs. 1. 4K Plus add-on. Monthly cost: $9.99 for the first 12 months. $19.99 per month thereafter. Features: access to select live and on-demand content in 4K Ultra HD. Unlimited simultaneous streams at home. Offline viewing of DVR recordings on mobile devices. 2. Sports Plus add-on. Monthly cost: $10.99 per month. Features: additional sports networks including NFL Red Zone, Fox College Sports Gold, TV Fox Soccer Plus, MFTV, Motorsports Network, TVG, and Stadium. Access to hundreds of live games and events with unlimited DVR storage. 3. Entertainment Plus Bundle. Monthly cost: $29.99 per month. Features: premium networks such as HBO Max, Starz, and Showtime. Access to a wide range of movies, series, and exclusive content. 4. Spanish Plus add-on. Monthly cost: $14.99 per month. Features: over 28 Spanish-language channels and diverse content, including telenovelas and live sports. Important considerations: base plan requirements. All add-ons require an active YouTube TV base plan subscription, which costs $72.99 per month. Compatibility: ensure your devices support 4K streaming and offline viewing features where applicable. Billing: add-on costs are in addition to the base plan subscription fee. With these add-ons, you can customize your YouTube TV subscription to suit your viewing preferences, whether you're a sports fan, movie lover, or enjoy Spanish language content.